Hi, welcome back. Today we look at how to activate Windows without a product key or activate an application without a product key. This method only applies for specific applications, so you should note that before you try to use it on the chosen application that you're trying to install. But more specifically, it is used to install Windows. So this method allows you to activate your Windows for a specific time or a short while before you can purchase your Windows product key. So let's jump right into it and see how this one goes. There is this method that I talked about before that you can use. Now if you look at my screen, for instance, I haven't installed so many applications because I just recently installed my Windows. So we are going to go through that. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the start menu, then settings, then on the window that opens I'll scroll down to the very bottom and click on update and security, then I'll choose activation. Then from my screen you can see that I've been told on the activation section I've been told connect to the internet to activate Windows. So if you don't have an Windows key, there is this program called Kmspico that can help you do that. So you just download it or either get the file from a friend and then you can run it on your PC. It can help you activate your Windows without using a product key. Remember, it only gives you a short while, as I explained before, so make sure you put that in mind before using this application. It will give you a short while before acquiring your original product key in this case. So I'm going to open mine. So as I said before, you can either download it or get it from a friend. In my case, it has already been downloaded and there it is on the desktop. So I'll just open it, and then the first thing I'm going to do is copy the password. So I'll select the password and copy it. Then I'll go back to that folder and double click on or right click on the setup and run it. So I'll right click on it and then run. So I'll then paste my password that I had copied before here and click on OK, and then wait for it to open or to run. So let's wait. Now once it starts, I will just click on the next button, accept the terms, then click on next and let the program install. So I'll wait for the installation process. Sometimes takes longer than we need. It actually depends on your computer speed and maybe memory capacity. So you'll wait for it to load to the end so that the file features are completely installed. You can see I have notifications about some errors because I just recently installed Windows and not everything has been fully set. So we wait for this program to launch, to install in our system. So let's see how long this takes. Usually it takes around 3 to 4 minutes or sometimes 2 minutes. As I said before, it depends on the speed of your PC or whatever you're using. So mine is still installing and looks like it's done. So after this, how do I know that it has been installed? I'll go to the start menu and click. Then if I check on the left hand side, I see Kmspico has been listed as one of the recently installed files. So I'm supposed to open it. I'm supposed to click on the Kmspico file here and see what happens. Let's see. Let's let it load. There was an error, so let's click and see what happens. Remember, sometimes you might receive some error messages, but you can always bypass those. So this is supposed to load and give me, oh right, there it goes. So once it does, you can see I talked about an error, so I have that. You can just cancel it and then click on yes here, then click on this button to try and confirm if the setup has been completely installed. So the gray button, as can see here, in times red. So I'll click on it and then I'll get some message of setup complete. So let that run. Now once it does that, it means that your computer has been activated, which can also be a problem. So how do I confirm that? Click on settings, then go to Windows activation section. What do you see? We can see that it has changed from not activated or connected to the internet to Windows is activated. So as I said before, this gives you a while, 3 to 6 months before you can purchase your Windows activation key. So I hope this helps you with your computer, and also helps you save a bit if you're not ready or you're not willing to buy a product key. So use it, download it, or ask for a friend, run the program as has been shown here, and then hopefully it helps you activate Windows, and then you will not have to worry about purchasing or these frequent annoying messages of Windows not activated or something. Subscribe and turn on the notification button, and thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. So once again, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.